Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add testimonial carousel in Marquee style with continuous motion or infinite loop in Elementor WordPress. So we want to move testimonial carousel, continuous motion, not step by step or slide by slide. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So for this, we are going to install plugin in Elementor WordPress. Now go to add plugin and then in search plugin, write Marquee or Dawn Smooth Marquee Carousel Loop for Elementor. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, go to Elementor page and then in search widget, write testimonial. Now you see testimonial Marquee. Now drag and drop here. Now you see widget added on hour, its stop or pause. Now you see testimonial Marquee, testimonial carousel, continuous motion, not slide by slide in Elementor WordPress. Now you see content, so you can add testimonial item. Now expand, so you can add content, choose image, name, title if you want. You can show rating, so it's up to you. So you can add more item. If you want, you can show reverse, alignment center, code. Now you see code right. So you can add styling according to requirement. Now you see additional options, so click on it. Length 10. Now you see show more, less more option. So click on it. Now you see show less. And then you see show animation. Pause on hour. Show edge shadow. Enable. Hide or show. And then you see animation speed. Now go to style. Now you see background type, box gap, border type, content, image, name, title, review, styling. So you can do styling according to requirement. Now you see color, content, expand text, images. Now you see name and then click on publish. Now publish done. So in this way you can add testimonial Marquee widget in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.